People have their own way to drive the car and maintain the vehicle as well. There are several car myths that some people fall for, despite their lack of truth. So today, let's see some interesting myths you may also have. Also, we will recommend some fun and interesting ways to maintain your vehicles. So keep on watching till the end. The first myth: it's necessary to change your oil every 3,000 miles. The fact is, most modern cars can go longer between oil changes, typically between 5,000 and 7,500 miles. Consult your car's owner manual for the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals. The second one is, you need to warm up your car before driving in cold weather. Modern cars are designed to be driven immediately, even in cold weather. Idling your car before driving can actually cause engine wear and waste fuel. The third one, red cars are more expensive to insure. The fact is, the color of your car has no impact on your insurance rate. Insurance companies base their rate on other facts, such as the make and model of your car, your driving record, and where you live. Number 4, all-wheel drive makes your car invincible in bad weather. Well, all-wheel drive can provide better traction in certain conditions, but it does not make your car invincible in bad weather. You still need to drive carefully and adjust your driving to the conditions, regardless of whether you have all-wheel drive or not. How about you? How many of these myths you also ever had before? Comments below to share with us. Next, let's see the number 5th myth. Premium gasoline makes your car run better. Unless your car specifically requires premium gasoline, using it will not improve your car's performance or fuel economy. Using premium gasoline in cars designed for regular gasoline is a waste of money. And the next, manual transmissions get better gas mileage. While it's true that manual transmission can be more fuel efficient in some cases, it's not always the case. Many modern automatic transmissions are just as fuel efficient as manuals, if not more so. Speaking of the better gas mileage, one of the most common myths about better gas mileage is the adding the certain products or modifications to your car can significantly improve its fuel efficiency. In our before video, we ever mentioned that some of these products include the fuel additives, magnets that are attached to the fuel lines, or special air filters. However, there is little to no scientific evidence that these products actually work. In fact, some of them may even harm your engine or decrease your gas mileage. So here comes our next myth. Filling up your gas tank in the morning can get more gas for your money. The reason for this myth is based on the idea that gasoline is denser at cooler temperatures and less dense at warmer temperatures. Therefore, the belief is that if you fill up your gas tank in the morning when the temperature is cooler, you will get more fuel for the same price. However, the difference in fuel density between morning and evening temperatures is negligible, so it would not have a significant impact on the amount of gas you receive. The amount of gas you receive when you fill up your tank is determined by the volume of the gas, which is measured in gallons or liters, and not the weight or density of the gas. Gas pumps are designed to measure the volume of gas dispensed accurately. regardless of the temperature or time of the day. In summary, while it's a popular belief that adding gas in the morning can get more gas than adding gas in the evening, there's no scientific evidence to support this claim. The amount of gas you receive when you fill up your tank is based on the volume of gas you purchase and not the time of the day or temperature. Overall, the best ways to improve your car's fuel efficiency are to keep up with regular maintenance, such as changing your oil and air filter, keeping your tires properly inflated, and driving in a fuel-efficient manner, such as avoiding rapid acceleration and braking. We talked about those in our before video. Remember to have a look for more ideas. Last common myth is that driving at slower speed will always give you a better gas mileage. While this is true in some cases, it's not always the case. Other factors, such as wind resistance, terrain, and driving habits, can also have a significant impact on your car's fuel efficiency. In general, the faster you drive, the more aerodynamic drag your vehicle experiences, which increases the energy required to maintain speed and reduce fuel efficiency. However, driving at extremely low speeds, such as in heavy traffic or stop-and-go conditions, can also decrease fuel efficiency due to frequent acceleration and braking. Other factors that can affect fuel efficiency include the condition of your vehicle, such like the tire pressure, engine tune-up, driving habits, excessive idling, aggressive acceleration or braking, and the terrain you are driving on. Therefore, while driving at slower speeds can improve your gas mileage to a certain extent, it's important to have also consider other factors that can affect the fuel efficiency. The most effective way to improve fuel efficiency is to adopt good driving habits, maintain your vehicle in good condition, and plan your trips to minimize stop-and-go driving and excessive idling. Once again, regular maintenance schedule and some easy DIY like cabin filter or air filter changes will definitely improve the gas mileage. While it's important to take car maintenance seriously, there are some fun ways to make the process more enjoyable, and here are a few ideas. First, make it a group activity. If you have friends who are also into cars, consider getting together for a car maintenance day. You can work on each other's cars, share tips and tricks, and enjoy each other's company while you work. Second one is turn it into a DIY project. Rather than taking your car to a mechanic, consider doing some basic maintenance tasks yourself. This can be a fun way to learn more about your car and get your hands dirty. Just be sure to follow proper safety protocols and only attempt tasks that you feel comfortable with. And the next one is to customize your car. Adding custom touches to your car can be a fun way to make it your own. This can include things like installing a new stereo system, adding the LED lights, or even painting an exterior a new color. Next, take it to a car show. Participating in a car show can be a great way to show off your car and connect with other car enthusiasts. Just be sure to have your car in top condition before you go. Remember, while car maintenance may not always be the most exciting task, it's an important part of keeping your car running smoothly and safely. By finding the ways to make the process more enjoyable, you can take pride in work you do and have fun while doing it. Alright, if you are not into DIY so much, remember to stick onto your maintenance schedule and remember to share this information to your friends who need it. thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos in the future. Once again, thanks for standing with us till the end. Adios!